What's up, everybody? It's your girl, Precious Joubert, and obviously I'm here with the man,
Biscuit.
So, I know y'all hear us talking about the boiler room all the time. Go ahead and tell them, what's the boiler room?
Okay, the boiler room is like our version of Hitsville, USA, where, you know, Barry Gordy has... So this is where the magic happens. We do everything music here, like from production to recording to rehearsals to artist development, video. We do it all right here at the boiler room.
So a lot of you have heard of our Live in the Boiler Room series with Sound and City. So it was kind of like a mixtape of some originals and some songs that we do really well. But what we decided to do was bring in a lot of our artist friends and friends we might have relationships with somebody who knows somebody who knows somebody who just want to rock with somebody. There you go. Who just want to rock with Sound and City. So this is what you can expect this season. Live in the Boiler Room. Check it out.